Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about linking your Bank of America or Chase account inside Xero, so your transactions flow in automatically. So here's the big picture. Why does this actually matter? Well, when your bank is connected, every single transaction imports straight into Xero. That means no more manual entry, fewer mistakes, and faster reconciliations. Once you're logged into Xero, head over to the accounting menu. Then click on bank accounts. Here, you'll then be able to see an option to add a bank account. So simply type in Bank of America or Chase. Then Xero will then put them up because both are supported for live feeds. Next, authorize the connection by logging into your bank. You use your usual online banking username and password. After authorization, Xero will then ask you which accounts you want to link. So simply pick the checking, savings, or credit card accounts you use for your business. And here's something very important. You can also choose how far back you want the transactions imported. If you're setting this up mid-year, you may want to only go back the last 30 days or 60 days to keep things clean. But once it's set up, the feed begins pulling new transactions automatically each day. Now you just need to reconcile in Xero, match invoices and bills, and you're done. That's how you link your Bank of America or Chase to Xero. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.